Hi, this is Akshay from Food and Lifestyle Therapy. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about PCOS or PCOD. It's really overwhelming to see that we are openly talking about it. It's really the need of the hour. If you ask someone from the previous generation about PCOS, they'll tell you how rare it was to have irregular periods. But today, when we have best of the doctors, dietitians, access to best of the gyms, medical treatments, what we have is every 2 to 3 out of 10 women have irregular periods, PCOS, and other hormonal issues. You know what the catch is? Lifestyle. Let me make it very clear. The three most common issues of today, that is weight gain, PCOS, and diabetes, have same root cause. That is your insulin insensitivity. That's why most of the women with PCOS are already pre-diabetic on paper. Let's quickly jump to the solutions now. To treat and heal your PCOS completely, you need to treat two things. First of them is treating your insulin levels, right? What is that? It is caused when the cells of your body gets inflamed and your insulin cannot open the lock of your cells to put sugar or amino acids in it, which further builds up into more weight gain, excess hair growth, more testosterone levels, PCOS, endometriosis, and other hormonal issues. The first way to treat it is through nutrition. How? First, eat more fats. Your hormones thrive on fat, and by going low on fats, you're depriving your hormones on its very basic food. You can go with as simple as walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and you can also start with your day with the coconut oil or ghee. That's also a very good option, right? And fat does not make you fat. Fat burns fat. The second one is protein. We have to have protein in every meal, right? While we are busy googling the superfoods for us, we are forgetting the very basic of nutrition, that is protein, and most of us are deficient in it. The very simple things like dal, chole, rajma are great sources of it. And if you are non-vegetarian, the good quality eggs and meats works well. Another thing that I found very common with clients with hormonal issues was that either they were sleep deprived or had high stress levels. Your body heals and detoxifies itself when you sleep, right? If you're not sleeping enough or have high stress levels, you're slowly killing yourself. You have to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. And if you have high stress levels, try meditation. It works. The last one is exercise. Swimming, yoga, cycling, or strength training, or as simple as walking works great to improve your insulin sensitivity. Do it for at least 15 minutes every day consistently. Another thing that you need to improve on is gut, that is your gastrointestinal system. Around 40% of the women with hormonal issues had one thing in common. They had some kind of gut issues. It could be IBS, that is your irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, diarrhea, and even food intolerance was very common. How do you heal it? How do you improve and prevent it? The first very important thing is eating more vegetables and fruit. You have to eat 4 to 5 servings of it every day. Do not overdo on fruits. Please eat more vegetables and fruit, right? And another very important ingredient is ginger. What you have to do is just take 2 cups of water, put some ginger in that, and boil that water to half. And you can consume that water half an hour before your meal, once a day, not more than that. Your health depends on your lifestyle. Improve your lifestyle and your body will heal itself. Thank you.